what's up everybody? This is Chase here at Rocky Mountain. Thank you for stopping by. So I've got this 2024 XP4 1000 here. And I want to talk to you about the mirrors and the windshield setup that we have on this. So this is the Tusk Pivot Folding Mirror. This mirror's been around for a while. Fits a lot of different vehicles. You're not going to beat the value of this mirror. It's a cast aluminum construction, full breakaway design. So if you smack something hard, it's not going to break. Anti-shatter mirror, fully adjustable. And like I said, the value of this thing is phenomenal. But what we love about this setup is you have these roll cage clamps. And what's cool about these clamps is that they just go around half the roll cage, and it gives you the ability to run our Tusk full glass windshield. We design all our Tusk UTV products right here at Rocky Mountain. What's great about that is that you know that they're always designed to work together. So with this windshield, we actually have a cutout right here on the frame, so you can mount this windshield with these mirrors. So if you're looking for a setup like this, this is the ultimate route to take. So if you have questions or comments about this, please leave those down below. We'll help get those answered. But again, if you have a 2024 XP1000 and you're looking for mirrors and a windshield or just one or the other, Tusk has got some great accessories. In fact, we just did a build on this whole machine, and there's a lot of really cool accessories that we make. So to see all those and these mirrors and windshield, click the link or head to RockyMountainATVMC.com. We ship for free over $75. And if you want to stay up to date on cool products like this for your side-by-side, get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel. I'm Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.